everyone, I am Jessie of Crochet by Jessie. Welcome to my channel. As you can imagine, based on everything behind me and what I am wearing, I am a crocheter. So I have been crocheting for over 10 years and it's been so amazing to see how much people have been loving it since COVID, and it's become so popular again. So I am going to be using this channel to show tutorials, vlogs, everything crochet. As well as being a crocheter, I am also a pattern designer, and I've been designing my own patterns for the last 2 or so years, and that includes patterns such as this cardigan, which is my current work. It is currently unnamed, but I am starting to write the pattern up and I cannot wait for it to be released. As you can see, it's quite a lacy kind of look. I absolutely love that and would recommend using patterns like this with cotton mainly based yarns. So this is 80% cotton and 20% polyester, and it works really well. The draping of it is great on. I also like to freestyle certain designs, so the top I'm wearing today is just something that I made when I was on holiday because I wanted a little kind of over t-shirt kind of thing. And the colours, I love colours. One thing about me is that I love to work with bright and colourful yarn, hence what I'm wearing today, the colours behind me, my cardi that I worked on recently, because I just think it really makes crocheting beautiful. So as well as being a crocheter for over 10 years, I have been doing mosaic crochet for the last 4 years, and I now design my own patterns. So this is a bag that I've recently designed, and I made this to wear out into Turkey. It's a perfect kind of holiday bag, but depending on the colours, it also works great as an everyday bag. This is one of my favourite recent projects. Look at the colours. So this is Aldi wool, which came at their recent stock up that they had in the UK. And I just love how it works. This actually was the first draft which inspired my red cardigan. So I didn't have enough wool to finish the actual sleeves for this one. So when I had the option to, as you can see, I made quite a nice long, not flared, but I just think that lace looks really great like this. And I'm planning to make a blue version of this, but as a maxi cardigan, because I really love the stitching, because just check that out. It just looks so lacy and it's so pretty to wear, and it's quite holey, but it still keeps you warm. So I also love making blankets. I've been making Betty McKnit's 6-day star blankets all the time. This is one for me. This is going to be a present and I cannot wait to give it to my family member. Mosaic crochet is an amazing form of crochet because you start to see the pattern form as you're making the project. I love making mosaic crochet blankets, such as my special Halloween blanket here that you see. When you use mosaic crochet and you have colour changing wool, it just looks so cool. Like, everyone's already said it's like a very Halloweeny colourway, and it's now March and it's been kept in our family snug because the colours are just so pretty that we don't want to let it go. Recently I have been getting back into making wearables. I love cardigans because I think that they're really good for the spring-summer time, so I'm already starting early with my wardrobe. But normally I make blankets, normally I make bags as well, and I really love mosaic crochet, and I don't think mosaic crochet is as well known as it should be because it's such a pretty form of crochet, and it is so satisfying because you can then make your own work, which is so unique and individual once you start designing. So I am a massive advocate for mosaic crochet, and I'll be doing a lot of tutorials on how to mosaic crochet, as well as incorporating some of my patterns that I've been working on and doing a little crochet along with them. One other thing that I really plan to put in some of my videos is just simple hacks and tips, which I wish that I had been told when I was first starting to crochet, because it can just make your projects look so much better, but also be done easier, because everyone's had it where you're new to crochet and you're trying the hardest possible way, where there's so many easier alternatives you just don't know at the time. I'm also on different social media, so you can check me out as Crochet by Jessie on Instagram and Crochet by Jessie on TikTok. TikTok, you'll be seeing quite regular updates, so if you want to see what I'm doing with certain projects and also help me decide some new ones, then definitely go follow me on there. So I'd love to see what you guys think about what I should be doing. If you would like to see my future videos, then hit the button below and subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified whenever I post.